Hello, my name is Sunil Nair. I have been a trainer, and in addition to this I have been associated with the media industry for the last 25 years. Currently I am associated with the SkillMap training facility in Cochin, and I will be training candidates who are seeking careers in sales and marketing, especially in the media industry. Now, to talk about media, there are two departments basically which bring in revenue. One is circulation and the other is advertising. Now, for any company to run, there needs to be a minimum amount of advertising that is going to fill the pages of the print medium, or if it's electronic, in the electronic medium. So, to understand how people advertise, we need to know why they advertise in the first place. People basically advertise for three reasons. One is for profit, second is for prestige, and the third is for protection. Now, unless we identify how exactly a person is going to plan a campaign, we cannot advise him on it is going to be profit, prestige, or protection. So, we need to understand also the aspects of advertising that are involved, which is going to bring revenue to the company and also returns to the investor. Now, I would like to give you a few tips on how you would be talking to a customer who is a prospective advertiser in your media. The first thing that you would really like to know from him is, what is it that he expects from the advertising that he plans to do in the media? Like I said earlier, is it profit, is it prestige, or is it protection? Most businesses would identify this as profit initially, primarily because money is ultimately the end of business. So they start thinking of those lines. But then the other aspects that we are talking about are also connected to profit. Now, the profit, prestige, protection once has been identified, we need to find a feature of our product which is going to satisfy that need of the prospective advertiser. Like, for example, I would like to quote an example where somebody is selling a car in Cochin. First, we need to know who is his prospective customer. It would be anybody who is an employee in a corporate firm who has a earning potential of X lakh rupees. So that would be the first clue that we would be having on this subject. Now, what is that particular point that we are going to tell him to ensure that he gets his customers through us? So we will be telling him that the profile of people who are earning about, let us say, 5 or 6 lakh rupees are readers of our magazine or watch our channel or go through our digital media, whatever is the platform.